To use Puppet Warp, first make sure that the layer going to be working on is a cutout. With the background removed, go to the Edit menu and choose Puppet Warp, and you'll see this grid appearing over your cutout. Photoshop needs it. We don't need to see it, it just gets in the way. So click the Show Mesh button on the options bar to hide it. Start placing pins in positions where you're going to want the object to stay still. If I put a pin just behind the head, I could pick up the head and move it independently of the previous 2 pins that stay in place. You can see the legs are moving along with it. We want them to stay where they are. So let's put extra pins in the legs to fix them and stop them moving around so much. Now we pick up the head and those legs stay put. We can bend it down and you can see how organically this whole thing moves. If you hold the Option or Alt key, you can move the cursor just outside that pin and rotate around that pin. And that allows us to tuck this wolf's head behind its leg. The weakness behind the leg is because the pin on the head was positioned before we put in the pin on the leg. You can bring it forward by adjusting the pin depth. Using these 2 controls on the options bar, you can always go back and move any of the pins around if they don't seem to be quite in the right position. You can see a slight white halo sometimes around your cutouts. That's just in the preview. Once you hit the Enter key or click the tick on the options bar, that disappears. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.